Juicing provides an easy and efficient way to meet your dietary requirements for fruit and vegetables in the most nutrient-packed form. With the Breville Juice Fountain Elite, you'll enjoy making your own homemade, supercharged juices and never go back to the bottled variety. With the juicer all set up, simply use the Breville Clean and Green Juicer Bag for a quick and easy cleanup. A great staple for any juice are apples. Power up the juicer and place a Golden Delicious into the 3-inch feed tube. Granny Smith apples tend to be a little tart, but experimenting is half the fun. Look at that natural apple juice and now look at it against a store-bought apple juice. Notice the darker yellow colour, where all the apple juice has been pasteurised at extreme temperatures, so it loses all of its live enzymes and nutrients. Adding lemon to any concoction will also delay the oxidisation process and help juice retain its colour. Pineapple is also great with any drink and will add a little tropical flavour. But unlike other juices that require you to cut off the skin, the Juice Fountain Elite is powerful enough to juice with the rind on. This is good because right near the surface of the skin is where all the nutrients live. Power up the juicer on the high speed setting and then juice the pineapple. Now pour it over ice, as ice tends to make juices even more delicious. The Juice Fountain Elite is fitted with a safety device, which safeguards against overheating and excessive loads. If the device is tripped, the unit will switch itself off. If that happens, just unplug the unit and allow it to cool, and then press the overload protection button on the base of the motor and it'll be ready to go. Get into the habit of cleaning your juicer after each use to avoid juicing stains from darker vegetables like beets. First, remove the pulp bag. You can always freeze the pulp to use later in soups, casseroles or baking. And because the Breville Clean and Green juicer bags are biodegradable, you can throw it all into the compost. Use the spatula side of the included cleaning brush to get right into the crevices to remove all of the pulp, and then rinse. Hand wash all the parts or put in the top shelf of a dishwasher. But the actual filter can't go in the dishwasher. Clean it by brushing the outside of the mesh first, then the inside. Get into the habit of juicing to meet all your daily fruit and vegetable requirements, but in a glass. The Juice Fountain Elite, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.